Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how to quickly create fields of Salesforce objects using Schema Builder. So before get started, please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So in the normal way, we are like just go to setup, and from object manager we search for a specific object for my case like opportunity, and from fields and relationships we can create new custom fields by clicking on this new button, and we can select the specific data type for which we want to create those fields. Like there are different data types: text area, pick list, phone, percent. These are available. So for today's demo I'll be just creating new custom fields using the schema builder. So from the quick find I will be search for schema, and from the objects and field section we can find the schema builder. So I have already opened this schema builder in this new tab. So we can find this type of interface, and in the view options we can see different action item like display element name, hide relationship, hide legend. These are available, and there are two tabs like elements and object. And this select from, we can select like all objects, select objects, standard object, custom objects, system objects as well. So from the quick find I'll be just creating one simple custom field for, a custom pick list field for the opportunity object. So I'll be just search for the opportunity object, and I'll be just selecting this checkbox. So after that, after this selection, I can find this object into this canvas, and we can see different, and we can just navigate to that object directly by clicking on this view object, or we can navigate to the page layout for this opportunity by clicking on this view page layout. And from the elements tab, this is the main tab to create those custom fields. So we can just use drag and drop, like it's mentioned here, drag and drop new custom object and fields into the schema. If we want to create a new custom object, we can just drag this object into this canvas, and we can just create a new custom object. And this is how we can just create a new custom object. But for today's demo I'll be just creating a new custom field. So, and in here we can see different types of field we can create. We can create auto number, formula, roll up summary fields, lookup fields, master detail fields, and there are different data types are available. For today's demo I'll be just creating one pick list field for the opportunity object. So I'll be just selecting this pick list and drag and drop into this canvas. And so I'll be writing the field label as like product interest, and in the values I can just paste these few products like individual health plan, family health coverage. These are the some products we can just use as values for this pick list, and I'll be just selecting this sort by alphabetically order. So all those values will be shown as per the alphabetically order, and I'll be just checking this checkbox as well, like first value as default value, so that we can find a default value for this field. So I can just save this. So field got saved, and we can see this field directly. Let me zoom it, and we can see the field directly from the object by clicking on this view object. And we can search from the fields and relationship our new field like product interest, and we can see that it's appended with the double underscore C, so that we can identify this is a custom field. And we can see those respective values those we have provided, and since it's alphabetically ordered, so that it's the first value is defaulted to true as per our configuration. So we can make it required as well. So those type of updations we can make. So this is how we can just simply create custom fields using the schema builder. So that's all for this demo. So thank you for watching. Please stay tuned, I'll be adding more tutorials on Salesforce and Omni Studio topics. Thanks for watching. Thank you.